If you want to record phone calls on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, here's what you can do. So first you can check if your OPPO Reno 15 Pro has a built-in option that allows you to record phone calls. So usually you can find it, for example, in More. There should be like a call recorder or something like that. However, in my case, and if you are, for example, from Europe, then probably in your case as well, there is no built-in option to record phone calls. So if you don't have that option, what you will have to do is you will need to use a third-party app that allows you to record phone calls. So let's say we're gonna go to the Play Store. Over here we can use the search option, and then we can search at the top, and you can type something like a call recorder or something like that. And of course you should be able to find many different example apps that should allow you to record phone calls. In my case, I'm gonna choose this one over here, the Cube ACR app, because I've been using it before and I think it works the best. However, feel free to try any other app that you can find on that list. Just choose your favorite one, and of course you can stick with that. However, in this case, I'm gonna show you how to set up this one, and in short, I will explain how it works. So once you open the app, we can go next over here. We can grant all the necessary permissions. There we go. Over here we can press on OK to disable the power optimization. We don't have to agree to call location tagging over here. It is not necessary. Then over here, once you see this premium offer, we can close it in the upper left corner. And then there is also the helper additional app that works for the main app to ensure that it works correctly. So we're gonna install the helper, and to do so we will be redirected to a website where we can download the app over here. So I'm gonna choose download helper APK. Now, since we are trying to download an app that is not from the Play Store, you might see an information that this might be a harmful app, etc. And you also need to grant the permission for the browser to install apps from unknown sources. So of course, you can do so if you like it. Now, once we open the helper, we need to set it up as well. So go next and grant it the permissions. There we go. After that, we need to tap on Go to Accessibility. In here, choose Downloaded Apps and tap on Cube ACR App Connector, even though it is grayed out, in order to see this message: app was denied access. Then we're gonna go back to the app, then you choose Go to Apps. In the app management, we need to go to the helper, so find Cube ACR Helper, tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and go and select the Allow Restricted Settings option. There we go. Then we're gonna go back to the app again and once again choose to go to Accessibility. We're gonna tap on Downloaded Apps and then choose Cube ACR App Connector and turn it on, and of course press Allow. Now we can press OK to disable the power optimization for the helper, and the app is pretty much set up. We can open the main app over here. I can also recommend you tapping on these three lines in the upper left corner to see if the recording is enabled. We can also find some additional settings, be sure to check them out as well, in order to set up the app and adjust it to your own needs. Generally speaking, the app automatically starts recording calls once you have a call, once it starts. So when someone calls you and if you answer the call, then you should be able to, the app should be able to start recording quite easily. We can find it in notifications. As you can see, we have the Cube ACR running in the background. What is also quite important is that quite often the app is not allowed, well, it's not really capable of recording the caller when we use the earpiece. So if that's the case, if you, for example, have like a recording or something and you cannot hear the caller, you might want to use the loudspeaker for that, because it's just convenient for the app. Unfortunately, many apps do not really have access to the earpiece, so it's hard to record it. And once you are done with the recording, you should be able to go to the main app over here, to the Cube ACR, and you can find your recording in here. You can also tap on these three dots on the right side to find some additional options. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.